mold. I'm gonna show you the other mold so you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to change it, and there's another mold. We got our shower head 6-in-1. We're gonna set this up today. This is our old one right now. It's really outdated, old. You can't change it. It's only one size, one shower drip. This one actually has many shower drips. Like I said, it has 6-in-1. To replace it's very simple. Just make sure you have the right fitting for it, right? There's filter in here. There's plumber tape. Everything you need is included in here. Plumber tape, extra filter, and another washer if you need it, right? So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, to remove the old one, you might need some tools, but for this one is so old, outdated that we are gonna put some plumber tape because we do have plumber tape on the back one. All right, we just got our plumbing tape. I'm gonna put you guys down so I could twist this one and test it out. So we're gonna hand twist it, but if you want, it has the extra place right here for your tools. If you guys can see that, we have the filter on because the old one didn't even have a filter. So let's put this one on. All right, you guys can see this is the old one. You can see the filter's all filthy. No molds on this one. We got plenty of molds. We set it up right now. We're gonna test it out and see how it works. All right, we're gonna show you the molds. That's one mold. I'm gonna show you the other mold so you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to change it, and there's another mold. It has plenty of molds. You can turn it off, but look, I'm gonna go the opposite way. You can see it. That's the last one right there. I'm gonna keep it to the common one. And you can adjust it how you want. Very simple. The switch is right here, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.